I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg with you. Today I'm cooking with my buddy Matt, and we are making romantic date night dinners. So today, we're cooking surf and turf. We've got some beautiful split spiny lobster tails. We've got some beautiful center cut 8-ounce filet mignon, and we're gonna be making bearnaise.
Okay.
So I know it might sound a little intimidating to make hollandaise sauce, but we're gonna do it, and it's gonna be delicious. So to start off, I've got a cast iron pan. I'm gonna add in a half a shallot and some tarragon. And tarragon is really great. It has like a licorice, almost like an anise flavor. It's really, really tasty. So we're gonna add in about a tablespoon of fresh tarragon. You can use dried as well. About a cup or so of white wine. And we're gonna get this set on the 680 set at 475 degrees. We're gonna cook this down until pretty much all the wine is evaporated and I'm just left with the shallots and tarragon. All right, so the first step in our hollandaise, again, as we're letting that white wine, shallots, and tarragon reduce, is I've got 3 egg yolks. We're gonna hit that with a little bit of lemon juice, about a half a lemon or so. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. And then I've got this pot of boiling water here. We're gonna put this over here, and we're actually gonna cook those egg yolks kind of until they're a little bit ribbony, and they'll thicken slightly. All right, Matt, I think you gotta go ahead and mix. Now here I've gotten about a pound of butter, and I had it smoking at about 200 degrees for probably about an hour. It's picked up a good bit of smoke flavor to it. It's still good and warm. Okay, no, keep stirring. And what you wanna do is, so to help emulsify that, add that butter nice and slow. And you keep whisking the entire time. Matt, that's looking delicious. So our next step is we're gonna add in just a couple more drops of lemon juice, and that'll help kind of stop the eggs from cooking. And then again, we've got that shallot and tarragon mixture. I like a little bit of chunk in my bearnaise, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of that mixture. That looks perfect. So to keep this nice and warm, we're gonna put this on the pellet lid, and that'll keep it nice and warm and it won't break for us.
Good idea.
All right, so now it's the big time, right?
That's
We're
right.
cooking the filet mignon and the lobster tail.
Steak.
So the steaks are about 2 inches thick, so they'll take 8 minutes. We have our sear kit, our 680s are preheated to 475. We're gonna cook them for 4 minutes a side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sear them on one side, give them a 45-degree rotation, let them go for another 2 minutes, flip them over in the same process so we get those picture-perfect sear marks. So you're gonna go ahead and season up the filet mignon with some Heffer dust. I'll give a little olive oil on there. And then the lobster tail, we're gonna season up with the Asian Persuasion, and this will only take 4 minutes to cook. So when we flip those fillets over, we'll go ahead and put the lobster tails on too. It's looking delicious. How about we get them seared off?
Let's do it.
So Matt, here we have it. Our grilled fillets, our grilled spiny lobsters. Can't forget our sauce bearnaise. Give it one last stir. Again, keeping it on top of the pellet shelf was great because it kept it nice and warm. And I mean, if you cook your loved one a meal like this on date night, I guarantee there'll be more date nights. So I think you cook those steaks to perfection, Matt.
I appreciate that. Dive in?
I think you got to dive in and tell us what you think. think it's the business.
I'm liking it.
Matt, it was fun cooking with you.
Date night.
Absolutely. And again, pick up some lobsters, some fillets, and you know, cook your loved one something delicious for date night.